Morning guys, it's such a sunny day. Normally I would say happy whatever day it is, but I actually do not know what day it is.
What day is it?
What day is it? I actually do not know. Every morning I have to look at my phone to find out what day it is, but I don't have my phone next to me. But yeah, it's such a sunny day. Can you see how bright and sunny it is? I've just gotten ready to make myself feel a little bit better, like I was saying yesterday. I didn't finish the vlog, I forgot, so I'm going to make it a 2-part day vlog. I'm not doing weekly vlogs right now because I feel like it would just be the same thing every day. Like it would be really repetitive because I'm doing the same exact stuff every day. The only thing different is my meals and maybe a bit of makeup or not makeup. And yeah, so the plan for today is to do a really deep clean. Aiden's been with me for a long time, which I love. I don't want him to go like ever. But it's only fair that he goes and spends some time with his daddy, and that means I'm going to be alone for a few days. And I guess today's going to be the first day that I've been alone without him in like 2 weeks. So I'm going to do a really deep clean of the flat. I clean when he's here, but not like a deep clean. When I say deep clean, I mean like bleach everything. Bleach the floors, bleach the handles, bleach the windows, bleach all the tops, and the whole flat just smells of bleach. So it's better to do it when he's not here, because then I can open all the windows, all the doors, and you know, just let it air out. So yeah, I just did a TikTok video. Honestly guys, I'm hooked on TikTok. I think the reason why I like TikTok right now is because it's a very light-hearted app. It's like not serious, everyone's just having fun. There's a lot of music, which I love. I love dancing to music, and you know, it's just like positive vibes. Instagram is, I don't know how I feel about Instagram right now. It feels like everybody's just like shading each other. And then YouTube is, you know, YouTube. I will always love YouTube, and I love making videos. So yeah, ooh, whoa. So yeah, that's the plan for today. I'm not gonna go out. I'm gonna go walk coffee, but I'm not gonna go out as in like go to the shops or anything, because I have everything that I need. I'm gonna try and eat everything that I have in my fridge. I've also got some cooking videos planned, but not like fancy cooking videos, because I know that getting ingredients is quite hard right now. So I'm gonna make some really basic Chinese recipes that everybody can do with whatever they have in the cupboard and adapt to it. So I have 3 recipes that I want to put into one video because they're really quick and easy, and hopefully it will help some of you guys make use of your ingredients, what you've got in your cupboard and whatnot. But yeah, apart from that, it's a really chilled day. I actually don't know what else I'm going to do because all my work's cancelled, so it's a very weird time right now. Oh wow, there's the light. I don't know why I was really dark just now. Oh look, there's the light.
Huh? It's very lots of money too. Lots.
It's lots of money?
Yes.
How much is it?
I think $8.
$8? Do you mean £14?
£14, yes.
Is that a lot of money?
Yes.
So what are we going to do about it? Do you still want it, or are you going to wait until Christmas?
I think a different one.
You're going to choose a different one?
Yes.
One that's not a lot of money?
I'll get a little one.
You want to get a little one?
Like this, like this.
Why a little one?
This big one. That's too many money.
The big one is too much money? Oh, okay.
This one.
You choose then. Basically, he's got a lot of these train tracks, and he's got 2. One of them's actually here. He's got 2 battery operated trains, and then there's another blue one somewhere. This one, yeah, this blue one, but they're both broken. So he doesn't really have a train that moves on these tracks. He has a lot of like these ones that you have to like pull by yourself. But then I think for him it just gets a bit boring after a while because he's moving the train. So I was looking to get a replacement of his battery powered trains, and we're just online looking now, and he's so cute. He was like, oh, that's a big one, that's gonna cost a lot of money, I'm not having that. He was like, I'm gonna choose a little one. Which one are you gonna choose then? Do you want that one? You really want this one?
Money.
Too much money?
Yeah.
But you have money in your bank account.
But Mama, guess what?
What?
Yes.
It's a lot of money.
Yes, I'm not has the money, I only has guess.
I'm sure you can afford it. Are you sure you don't want it?
No. I wanted this one.
You just want one?
Yeah.
It's so cute. Whenever we go out like toy shopping and there's a big toy, he's always like, that's too much money, mummy, stop wasting money, I've got a lot of toys. Isn't it? You've got so many toys.
Another one.
Another one? What's that one?
Dun, 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 dun.
Try harder. You can do it.
Oh,
I trust you. I know that you can do it.
We're holding a training,
big
guys.
boy now.
So
You did
what
yesterday.
the game is called.
Push this one in a little bit more like this. Just move it a little bit.
Abomination. Mandarin. Red Skull.
See? You did it.
no, can you help me?
I helped you, but you did it. Give me a high five. And you could do it. It's your watch. Did you watch it? If you want guilt-free snacking, then definitely head to the children's section and buy the snacks there because they're just as yummy. These are Aiden's. He normally has like a stash of them. I'm just stealing a pack because he's not here. They're so good. I'm thinking I might sort out this rail because a lot of these clothes are not appropriate for this weather right now, and especially because I'm not going out anywhere. I might sort out my kind of like swap over season rail because these coats are a little bit too heavy for now, especially this one. This one's really warm, and I'm so sad that I'm not gonna really get to wear this unless I'm in the home. As you can see, it's still got the tag on. I bought this as a spring jumper. You know, when it gets a little bit chilly, you just need to pop on a jumper for whatever you're wearing. I got this from H&M, and yeah, as you can see, I've not even worn it yet because yeah, can't go out. So I'm really sad about that. Hopefully by the time we are allowed to go back out, it's not too warm and I can wear this during like evenings. I really like this jumper. I don't really want to wear it for loungewear because I don't know, does anybody do this? Like if you wear something as loungewear or as PJs, then it stays as PJs or loungewear. I can't see it as a going out top anymore. And then I have a few jumpers, and I have this dress that I've got from ASOS. You guys might have seen my ASOS haul that I did nearly about a week or two ago now. Again, really pretty dress, but can't wear it anywhere. I think this with like a leather jacket on top would look really cute. And then my hat, which has just fallen down, definitely needs to go into storage. This is definitely not weather appropriate right now. Far too warm to wear a hat like that. And oh, I also got this jumper. This is from Sarah. I got it in a sale towards the end of January, beginning of Feb. I got it for a really good price. It's this really nice jumper, and it's got this detail on the shoulder, but again, haven't had the opportunity to wear this, so I'm glad that it's not a trend piece though, because at least like next winter autumn kind of season I can still wear it. And yeah, I'm just really sad. Obviously it's not like a big massive deal, but yeah, I'm just sad that everything that I had planned is not happening anymore, which is sad. But yeah, I'm still healthy and breathing, which I'm thankful for. Oh, this coat is definitely going into storage. This is far too warm for now. This is my little teddy coat. Just cooking some kind of like late lunch, early dinner. It's currently 3 p.m. and yesterday I made a batch of bolognese, and this was the leftover, so this has been in the fridge. I'm just gonna have that with some gluten-free pasta. I don't have much left, so I'm thinking I might have to go to the supermarket soon. But luckily this pasta is always in stock because not a lot of people buy it compared to like the normal pasta. So yeah, this is what I'm having right now. So I'm going to do my evening routine. I think I'm just going to wind down and get ready for the evening. I feel like today has been such a blur, maybe because Aiden's not here. When Aiden's not here, I feel like everything's just a blur because my kind of like routine goes out of the window. I don't have bath time, I don't have dinner to cook, I don't have story time, bedtime and all that kind of jazz. So then it just feels like my evening is just like, what do I do now? Let's make sure I'm focused. So I'm using the Nivea eye makeup remover to get my mascara off. I think this is one of the best drugstore eye makeup removers. Really inexpensive and does a really good job at taking off eye makeup, even like waterproof, because I wear waterproof mascara and I normally just sit on my eye for a little bit, then give it a little wiggle and then it's off. Yeah, see, it's easy, it's off. So then I'm going to go in with the Drunk Elephant Sly Makeup Melting Butter Cleanser. This is actually like nearly finished. I'm like right at the bottom. I think this is the, actually I'm lying, I've done Clinique and Elemis, those two cleansing balms, and the Emma Hardy one are the cleansing balms that I finished. It's very rare for me to finish a product because I just get so many products to test and try, but as you can see this one is nearly out. So I'm just going to use some cleansing balm to melt all of that makeup off. With a face wash, I'm using the Clinique Liquid Facial Soap Mild, which I'm nearly out of, but I do have some backup cleansers. I like this one, I've been using it for years and years. Now that my skin is nice and clean, I'm going to go in with a vitamin A, and this is a retinoid serum by Sunday Riley. I do see results with this. It's a little bit pricey, but I've been using it for a few months now and I only use it like twice a week, and I think tonight is going to be one of those nights where I use it. When I use this, I don't go in with any other skincare, I literally just use this. I don't use the eye cream, I don't use any glycolic acid or any serums because this is quite strong on its own. So I just do one pump normally, which is enough, and I start at the centre of my face and then just massage that in. Then next I go in with some, not skincare, these are kind of like skincare accessories. This is the Rapid Lash eyelash enhancing serum, which helps my eyelashes grow longer. Been using this since August or September last year, and I always see a difference when I'm being consistent with this. And then this is the Rapid Brow, so I just put that on my brows. And then last but not least, my lips. I use Laneige Lip Care. This is the apple and lime one. They have quite a few different flavours. And that is my skincare routine for tonight. Really simple. So like I said, when I'm using the retinoid serum. I don't use any like other stuff because it just becomes too much and too harsh for my skin. So yeah, I'm gonna sign off, guys, and hopefully you are all keeping well and safe, and I shall see you in my next video. Bye guys. Mwah.